Welcome back to the Teratsum Tesla 588 is coming in, starting near the trees because I think you can see the train, its headlights come from the trees, over there. I've seen them before, not on camera. So, but we are here at Samuel Street, in case we don't see it, but yeah, if I zoom you guys in, over there, it's just rounding the bend now. This probably is 6401 on the lead, and if it is, it'll be added. Yeah, it's a Found Horn, 6401 I think. So I think this engine has been added to my all 4 list, where I catch them on 84, 85, 87, and 88. And a list of engines that have been on the Friday Night Day Train that I have seen, either leading or tailing. By the way, if you're talking about engines, check out my engine 908 if you haven't seen that video yet. Your engine is 6401. Now, hold on. 117 this time, 32, 3047. 302, Andrew! 3318, 3451, 6404 again. Thank y'all for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you guys next one.